So finally, we're here in the plane. Hope to see you there in the Philippines. See you, Manila. Taking off. Iyak ko.
Awas, magandang ka naman. Witness mo naman sila pwede.
Okay guys, samahan nyo ako dito sa airplane habang bumabiyahe kasi 13 hours ang flight namin going back to the Philippines. Going to Manila. So if you're from LAX to Manila, it's 13 hours. But you know what, before it's 15 hours, so they made it more faster. I don't know. So yeah. So I think now they will be serving some food, and let's try the food of Philippine Airlines as economy. One day we will be in business class. Pito kasi kami. Papa namin, mama. Ayan, kain. So kain tayo. Thank you. It took us 20 years, but our parents took 6 to 8 years. This is the best kind. Papa! Mama! Mama, pahila. Ganun mo si Papa. Bang! Papa! For us to fly. Ilan na yun? Ay, sige kayo. Thank you po. Meron tayong apple juice. And tiramisu cake. Tiramisu. Parang may side dish.
We always fly with bag because of Mama. She wanted a straight flight, a non-stop flight. But for me personally,
I'm so excited.
I want to try Japan.
Kasi na-miss ko yung
Philippines because I love.
Thank you po.
Dito ba wala na? Fish na lang.
This is Mama's choice.
Maganda sa plane kasi pag hindi naman turbulence, para ka lang nag-drive.
Sir. Fish. Give it to me dry. May isang fish pa.
Pilipinas. Tagalog naman, finally.
Thank you, Lord. Kasi naubos na rin ang English ko eh. Nag-reset lang kami na ilong guys kasi nosebleed na Lord, hindi naman na nosebleed for today's video.
Pahinga din kami sa pag-construct ng sentences.
ang pagbaba mula sa eroplano.
Hindi ako naiyak.
Ngayon ako naiyak.
Ang ikot naman.
Ngayon ako naiyak.
Hindi. Bigla ko naalala yung hirap namin sa Pinas.
Pagbuhat-buhat natin yung mga maleta.
Lipat-lipat namin ng bangko.
Tayo sa Pinas.
Kasi doon guys, parang pag wala kang kilala, as in walang pakialamanan yung mga tao. Mind your own business lahat sila. Tapos lahat busy. Grabe, thank you Lord. Dito na kami sa bahay sa Pilipinas.
Excited ko na makita si Boncho.
So dreamers, when you come to the Philippines, it's easier because a lot of kuya or brothers who will help you. Like those people. They will help you lift your things and everything, and you just got to give something, like anything, like any box. But usually, you know, I think because it's Christmas, it's gonna be Christmas, let's give them, you know what, the 10 bucks to them is already big, like 500 pesos. So, welcome back home, Papa! Loka! Yes! Thank you kay Kuya. Salamat po. Touchdown, Manila! Yes! Welcome back! Thank you, Lord. We're here. We're home! Filipino food, let's go! Merry Christmas! Happy birthday! Pakadama ni Bonchong, grabe. Happy birthday to our youngest brother, Bonchong. I miss you so much! No! Kuku! Kuku! Ganda ni Kuku! Dreamers! I'm here in the Philippines! I'm with Bum Bum now! I'm so happy! And then Chloe! And Belle! And Chanel! Prada! I love you, anak! I love you! I love you! I love you! I miss you so much! Thank you, Lord. So we're here now in Manila. Now I can see jeep and everything. Yan na, may mga tricycle na guys. Yan na po yung feeling. Yay! Yay! Masaya. Pero parang feeling ko di ko na kaya mag-drive dito guys. Mga kababayan!